I'm back once again with another video. I'm back once again with another video. No, I'm just saying. What is going on, everybody? It is your favorite girl, Chelsea. Today is going to be the day where I switch it up on this channel. I promised you guys that I was going to be doing makeup, hair. Hello, let's get into the hair. By the way, this hair is from Ali Julia. Y'all can purchase. All the information will be in the description box down below. As you guys see by the title, these clothes are from A Pretty Little Thing. Before I go into this clothing haul, I am going to also be unpackaging with you guys some new makeup. I just got this new makeup eyeshadow palette that has been going crazy on Instagram. This is not sponsored. I bought all of this stuff with my own money, even though one day I would love to get sponsored by Pretty Little Thing. So Pretty Little Thing, y'all know, hit me up in the DMs. But nah, I really love Pretty Little Thing, so that's why I purchased off of their website. But this is also I also bought this makeup palette from somebody in the UK. So I got this package today. This is the packaging, and it's called Glitz and Glam by Lorraine Lamour. I think that's her name. My complete honest experience. I ordered off of Instagram. This is where I found this company, and I was like so suspect. Like, I did not want to order it, but I was so in love with the eyeshadow palette, and you guys are about to see why. It was like one of those big cartel type of websites. It wasn't nothing fancy. I just ordered it, and I ended up ordering it. 2 weeks passed. Like, I ordered Pretty Little Thing and this palette in the same day. I ended up getting, once I got my Pretty Little Thing package, I'm like, okay, both is in the UK, so there's no way I should have got one package and not the other. Mind you, the company, the people of the company did not send me my tracking number, so I don't trust anything that I can't track. Like, I'm sorry, whatever. So I did end up emailing them. I finally got it, and I opened this, and I fell in love. Are y'all ready to fall in love? Like, okay, so this is the packaging. It's the same as a little box, and this, the paper coming out. This is the freaking palette, you guys. It comes with a mirror, which is great because it's super clean. My mirror that I've been using is getting a little dusty, so I have a new palette with a new mirror. And let's get into these eyeshadows. Oh my god. I'm going to swatch the mattes first, and then I'm going to swatch the glitters first. Okay, so these are the swatches. I can't wait to use it. I'm probably going to be using it for the rest of these tutorials that y'all ever
I
seen.
totally hate myself for this, but I don't know what happened to my talk through, but I guess I have to do a voiceover for you guys because that shit is gone. So basically, these are their white biker shorts I purchased. They're too big, but I got this in a size 12. Not my size, but now these, y'all, these my favorites. Like, as y'all can see, they're very twerkable. The booty is looking mighty freaking delicious, I might say myself. Like, I'm just in love with the color, the material. I love how these fit on me personally. And yeah, I just plan on being very comfortable this summer because your girl wasn't able to get in the gym. I ain't gonna flex. So we still can look cute, body still on fleek. So you guys know that I had to get me a fanny pack. I hate carrying purses, so I felt like this was a perfect thing for me to get that would actually like do something for my life. And it's trending, I guess you could say. Everybody got one this summer, so had to cop me a plain black one first, and you know I'm gonna be extra as fuck and get some more. But yeah. Okay, so next are just these plain black cycle shorts. It's just the same vibe, everything the same, honestly. Nothing major. I wouldn't put these pants with this top, but yeah. And this is also the top that I got from Pretty Little Thing, and this is the size 10. Well, it's wrapping it up for this ghetto ass clothing haul with my freaking box like all in the freaking camera. But I'm going to get so much better where I'm filming. Till next time, you guys, I love y'all. Make sure you click that subscribe button for me, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah.